Have you heard Narendra Modi criticize Subramaniam Swamy? Have you heard them criticize Subramaniam Swamy for the absolutely reprehensible, extremely repugnant, and the kind of language that nobody should speak in any part of Indian society? But the language that Swamy has spoken, you'll find Mr. Narendra Modi maintaining a highly eloquent silence. You see, this is part of their overall game plan, polarized through various people at different levels. While Mr. Modi will talk of development that nobody buys, his toffee model stands exposed as the biggest fraud committed on an essentially unsuspecting India. Now they know the truth. So if the BJP really wants to create further communal complexion in this election, I think they're going to meet with very negative results. People are seeing through it. I think Muzaffarnagar is a classic example of how the BJP has overstepped
why don't you
the
throw
norms
this man
of
out?
Political civility in an election.
Sudhanshu Trivedi, today on this issue, you are totally, you seem to have no coherent reply, because you are being challenged on national television, Sudhanshu Trivedi. Who is your real face, the development face or Amit Shah? The development face or Yogi Adityanath? No, 1 minute. The development face or what is this man's name? Giriraj. You can't act against Giriraj. How do you promise the people of this country tomorrow that if you come to power, that you will protect everyone? You say that there is space for everyone and all views in this country, do you not? And you cannot even act against a person who says if you oppose Narendra Modi, go to Pakistan, that is your political Mecca Medina. There is no space for you in this country. You are in a big dilemma today. Because for you, because you don't care. As long as this man wins votes using even the most divisive language, you don't care today before the election. You want to win, no matter what, at what cost. Just as Azam Khan wants to win.
This is not the way to win. They will lose this way.
Is this a way to win? Is this a way to win?
Can I speak?
Yes, please do. But explain your silence tonight.
1 minute.
Explain your silence.
Too diverse.
Yes.
India is a beautiful country.
There is no question of dilemma. The dilemma is arising
No
because
Aurangzeb can win India. Akbar can win India.
Ask your ally. Ask Naresh Gujral if he's happy with this. Ask Naresh Gujral. Before you come in, I'm asking Naresh Gujral. Naresh Gujral, are you happy with this? You want a situation today with those who don't support one political party are told to leave the country, and is your only answer, your only weak defense of the BJP going to be don't pay too much attention to this man? Should we not pay attention to Azam Khan, to Amit Shah?
Arnab,
then we should not have paid attention to Akbaruddin Owaisi either.
The strength of our democracy lies in tolerance, be it religious, social or political.
Yeah, but what is happening on the ground?
And I hope the election commission has the powers to disfranchise this man.
Yes.
If the election commission has the powers, he should be disfranchised.
So what about the BJP?
I'm sure they will take action against him tomorrow.
You are sure they will? And if they don't,
here, I'm sure they will take action.
What action will they take?
Because he is not doing any service to the BJP. They should either expel him or not support him in this election. Losing a seat is not going to matter.
You see, this is from your ally.
This should not be tolerated.
Please understand, Sudhanshu Trivedi, this is from your present ally. How will you get support from anyone unless you expel him or stop supporting him? This is being told to you by your ally. Will you not even listen to your ally? Come on, Sudhanshu Trivedi, respond.
The sentiment of Mr. Naresh Gujral. Yes, I respect the sentiment of Mr. Naresh Gujral, but I would like to put some perspective, because in your debate it is going to be me versus rest. So I want certain.
Why you versus rest?
Number one, I have iterated that it is an MLA stating, the leader of the legislature party condemning,
because of your
actions condemning, and the national president condemning. Still you are saying that this should be taken care of. Now I would like to ask Mr. Sanjay Jha. He is trying to remind the statement of Uma Bharti on the demolition of the disputed structure.
Yes.
It was never proved in inquiry. On the other hand, the then Prime Minister of Narasimha Rao on the floor of the House said that he will rebuild the Babri Mosque.
I want to answer him.
I want to ask him, that he stand
Sir,
by
you're running away from the issue of
statement.
Giriraj Kishore. You're running away from the issue of Giriraj Kishore. The Akali Dal says sack him. You're running away from it.
Mr. Trivedi,
If in India this type
Mr.
of politics
Trivedi,
is permitted,
Arnab, let me answer him. Mr. Trivedi, Kalyan Singh, Mr. Trivedi, Kalyan Singh. Okay, Arnab, let me finish. I'll answer after he's done.
And let me complete my sentence. And down south in Kerala,
Why don't
there
you
is a
answer about
district
Giriraj Singh?
Yeah, sure.
in which the age of marriage is amended against the constitution just because it is a Muslim-dominated district and Congress party is sitting in the center.
आप गिरिराज के बारे में उत्तर क्यों नहीं दे रहे
Give me a chance to
हैं?
answer.
आपको पूछा गया सुधांशु त्रिवेदी जी, मैं आपको दोबारा पूछ रहा हूँ. You have been asked a question on Giriraj. Why are you not answering on Giriraj? Answer on Giriraj.
And lopsided.
Answer on Giriraj.
Entire establishment.
आप
Mr. Trivedi, you are
Up.
dodging the questions, but I will answer you on Babri
Why are you
Masjid.
not answering?
I want to
No, no,
answer.
1 second, I want
give
to
me
focus
30
on
seconds. Give me 30 seconds, Arnab. Arnab, just give me 30 seconds to let him know on Babri Masjid. Kalyan Singh was the chief minister. He gave an affidavit to the Supreme Court on the Babri Masjid security. And you want to know, Mr. Trivedi, what he said later on in 2009? He said that I was let down by the BJP leaders, and we know who they are, because he said they did not tell me that this was a pre-planned, organized attempt at demolition, which has been subsequently proved by the Cobra Post as well. And whether LK Advani, Murli Manohar Joshi or Uma Bharti have not gone to
Cobra
jail
Post also
is because
proved
you
that.
influenced the CBI. You influenced the CBI special
Now
court.
part of the
You influenced the
conspiracy.
CBI special court. So please don't try and divert the topic. And by the way, today we are asking you a question on Mr. Modi's highly ambivalent stand as a leader on issues that are highly controversial and which are actually somewhere threatening India's secular fabric. Why are you not answering those questions? These are fundamental. And let me answer you before you ask me.
As your
Imran
party
Masood of
answered
the
on the
Congress
question,
party made a
where the
statement
Home
that was
Minister
wrong.
has used
And
Hindu
when he,
terror,
1
which
minute,
was held by
and Mr.
Hafez
Rahul
Saeed.
Gandhi,
Giriraj,
Mr. Rahul Gandhi condemned
Now you are asking
it.
this
Mr.
question.
Rahul Gandhi condemned it.
First,
We
you
condemned
let
it as
me
a
answer.
party.
The Home Minister of India has spoken
Mr.
like this.
Trivedi, you
And in
know
the
that
Home
you are a
Ministry has
highly,
issued
you are a
this
party that is so
on the basis of
duplicitous.
religion.
You're so
The action your
dubious
party and your government
that
has
you
taken.
cannot be trusted. You speak one
Our
language.
party has condemned it.
Let me tell
Even
you,
your
double
party
speak
has
and
not
double
condemned
standards
even
is
that
exactly
decision.
what the BJP is about.
Sir, you know what came of your condemnation?
Your
1 minute.
standard is
Sudhanshu
you
Trivedi.
are only a
Sudhanshu
party
Trivedi,
of
listen to me.
double
Listen to me.
Open the
Listen,
door
1
of the
minute.
Babri
1 minute.
Masjid
1
in the
minute. 1 minute.
first place.
No, 1 minute.
Mr. Sanjay Jha, I want to ask you,
I want to
who
come in
opened the
as
doors of the Babri Masjid in the first place? Will you let the nation know?
Naresh Gujral.
Mr. Gujral,
Who
Mr.
opened
Gujral,
the
go
doors
back
of the
to your
Babri
history
Masjid in
and
the
you will
first place?
discover an extremely
Who started this
insidious
problem,
event,
Mr. Jha?
an extremely
Why
insidious event that happened in
why do you want to
Which
escape
happened in
history?
1949.
Please let the nation
Mr.
know.
Gujral, do you know your history?
Who
Mr. Gujral,
opened
do
it?
you know your history? I want
I
to
know
tell
my
you.
history, and
Do
I
you
know which
what
Prime
happened
Minister
in
of India
1949?
started this
How
problem
did suddenly
only to garner
the
a few
gates of
votes.
the Babri Masjid were opened, and who made a sudden appearance happen of a certain god? Please don't get into history. You are fully aware.
Why
or you're
were the
pretending
doors
that you
opened in
don't
the first
know, or you're
place?
obviously
There
ignorant
was
of
no
history.
problem in
I can
Ayodhya.
Naresh Gujral.
Your Prime Minister, Mr. Gandhi,
Naresh
started
Gujral.
the problem.
Naresh
There
Gujral,
was
just
no
a
problem
minute.
there.
Naresh Gujral, 1 minute. 1 minute. Gentlemen, can I come in 1 minute? Will you give me a minute or not here? Don't forget, I'm anchoring the program. Just give me a minute. 1 minute.
Mr. Sanjay Jha, I think, is not having respect for the judicial structure of this country.
And you are changing the subject,
December
Mr.
1949.
And you are changing the subject.
There.
And you are changing the subject. Mr. Trivedi.
Mr. Trivedi, you have no respect for the Supreme Court. When a matter is sub judice in the Supreme Court,
Anam, I want to
how
comment.
can you make a mention of it in a manifesto?
I'm
How
saying
does
it.
Mukhtar Abbas Naqvi talk about building a temple or whatever until the matter is resolved by the Supreme Court?
No, no.
You have absolutely no respect for it. Let me ask you a question.
He has said
What
within the
Supreme Court
constitutional
verdict
framework.
tomorrow? Hypothetically,
He has said
what
within
you
the
expect?
constitutional
Will
framework.
you honor it? Will the BJP honor it? Will the BJP honor the Supreme Court verdict?
Whether it was a December
Mr.
49
Trivedi,
judgment of
will the
court
Supreme
or
Court
February
verdict be
1986
honored by your
judgment of
party?
the Faizabad
Give a
Supreme
yes
Court
or no answer.
No, 1 second. Don't
Yes
divert
or
the
no
debate.
answer.
Don't divert the debate. Gentlemen, 1 minute. 1 minute. Now please listen to me, please. For a minute, you listen to me, please. For a minute, Sudhanshu Trivedi, listen to me now. Listen to me now.
Let's go back
Listen.
to
No, 1 minute. We are
Giriraj
going back to the issue. Sudhanshu, 1 second. Let me please try it. सुधांशु जी, मैं हिंदी में आपसे कहूंगा, फिर अंग्रेजी में अनुवाद करूंगा. जो मूल मुद्दा आज ये है कि एक लीडर है बीजेपी के, उनका नाम है गिरिराज सिंह. ठीक है, उन्होंने ऐसी बात कही है कि जो नरेंद्र मोदी के खिलाफ है पाकिस्तान चले जाए, भारत में कोई जगह नहीं है उनके लिए। 1 मिनट, पहले कौन होते हैं वो बोलने वाले? और आपके पार्टी को वो केयर नहीं करते। 1 मिनट, आप मूल मुद्दे से भाग सकते हैं मगर आप मुद्दे को भगा नहीं सकते हैं सुधांशु जी। आप भागिए मगर मुद्दा भाग नहीं जाएगा। 1 मिनट मेरी बात सुन लीजिए प्लीज, खत्म करने दीजिए। संक्षिप्त 10 सेकंड में बोलूंगा।
हाँ, मैं ISI
2 सेकंड में बोलूंगा। 10 सेकंड में बोलूंगा। मौका दीजिए 10 सेकंड में, मौका दीजिए। 1 सेकंड। यू कैन रन अवे फ्रॉम द इशू। दिस मैन डज नॉट केयर एट ऑल फॉर योर पार्टी लीडरशिप. He doesn't care for Sudhanshu Trivedi. He doesn't care for Rajnath Singh. He doesn't care for Narendra Modi. He cares for nobody. He has declared to the people in his constituency that those who oppose Narendra Modi have no place in this country. And you know what? He's repeated 1,000 times after your condemnation. Your condemnation is useless and means nothing. Your ally is asking
He
you
has
to
the
throw him out.
blessings of Mr. Narendra Modi and the BJP party.
Today this has become a test. It has become a test,
He has the
Sudhanshu
blessings.
Trivedi.
Nothing will happen against him.
This has
you watch,
become a
nothing
test.
will happen against him.
Shahid Siddiqui, has this Giriraj Kishore, Giriraj Singh issue become a
They should
test?
tell the nation they stand for
4 months
democracy.
back-
It's not a question of
4
Muslim,
months
Indian
back I
Muslim.
told you
it's
on
a
your
question
show
of Indian democracy. It is democracy.
in BJP,
which is
the
being
line has been
challenged. It is
taken.
our
Either you
constitution
fall in
which is
line
being
or fall
challenged by people like Giriraj Singh. And BJP should stand up for
And
democracy.
that
if they
happened in
believe
BJP.
democracy.
Everybody who
And-
tried to
and
follow
teach a
with
lesson
Narendra
to
Modi
Giriraj
had been
Singh.
shown the door.
Muslims don't have to defend anything. It is Indian people
It is
who
very
are being
ridiculous
questioned by Giriraj Singh.
that in the
It is
case of
Indian
Congress
democracy which is
party,
being insulted. And BJP
the leaders
should
of the
stand up
stature of
and
Chief
say we
Minister,
stand
Home
for
Minister and
democracy.
General
We
Secretary
stand
are saying
for-
something and
we
Congress
stand
party is
for
speaking
right
right.
to vote for anybody.
Tonight, is this become? I'm coming back in a minute. 1 second.
For anybody is a fundamental
1 second, gentlemen. I have to take a short commercial break at this stage of the debate. Everyone puts it back to the BJP representative and Sudhanshu Trivedi says, Arnab, today I'm one versus many. Mr. Trivedi, what are you saying? Your ally Naresh Gujral is on the program. Even he wants Giriraj out. Tonight, I will ask this question again when I come back and we'll give you full opportunity to reply. You can check on this issue. Has the inaction against a man who says if you oppose Narendra Modi, there is no space for you in India, go to Pakistan, that is your political Makkah, Medina, has the question about whether action will be taken against this man become a test case for the BJP? I'm back in a few minutes on debate number 2, which continues on the News Hour tonight.